Think you've seen big? Think again. These aren't machines, they're diesel-drinking, steel-crushing giants that make dump trucks look like Matchbox toys. We're counting down the 5 biggest hydraulic excavators ever built. They're loud, they're lethal, and they don't just move dirt, they move mountains. Let's meet the monster. Number 5, XCMG, XE7000, China's giant awakens. Coming in hot at number 5 is China's pride, the XCMG XE7000. Released in 2018, this beast tips the scale at 818 US short tons, stretches about 77 feet long, and can be powered by either two 50-liter Cummins diesel engines delivering 200 horsepower, or twin electric motors pushing 400 horsepower. The bucket? A face shovel holding 47 cubic yards. That's about the size of 4 pickup truck beds. It can dig up to 61 feet high, making it taller than a 6-story building when fully extended. Whether it's hauling dirt in Mongolia or slicing through ore in Siberia, the XE7000 proved China means serious business. Number 4, Kamasu PC800011. The Japanese bulldozer on steroids. Straight out of Japan, the Kamasu PC800011 is a massive 958 US short-ton workhorse. It comes with a choice: dual diesel engines with 4,020 HP or twin electric motors producing 3,940 HP. And it doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Fuel tank, 3,679 US gallons of diesel, enough to drive a standard car coast to coast 80 times. The bucket carries 55 cubic yards equal to 200 standard 55-gallon drums in one bite. Face shovel or backhoe configuration? Take your pick. Either way, you're moving serious earth. Number 3, Liebherr R9800 G6, the German powerhouse. Built in France by German manufacturer Liebherr, the R9800 G6 is a true legend. Weighing in at 984 US short tons, this excavator can't just be driven to the job site. It has to be shipped in pieces and reassembled like a giant Lego set. Choose between diesel or electric. The electric version cranks out an eye-popping 4,560 horsepower, making it the most powerful in its class. It has a 68 cubic yard bucket that can scoop about 83 tons of material, roughly the weight of 10 adult elephants. Its 4,649-gallon fuel tank is the largest of any hydraulic excavator ever built. To climb into the operator's cab, you don't just step in, you hike up 3 stories. Number 2, Hitachi EX80007, quiet precision, monster power. From Japan again, meet the Hitachi EX8007, the largest excavator in Hitachi's lineup. Depending on your setup, it weighs around 1,012 US short tons with a backhoe bucket and slightly less with a face shovel. Engine choices include dual Cummins, MTU, Rolls-Royce, or Hitachi electric motors. The MTU version tops the charts with 4Co 24 horsepower. Fuel tank, 3,278 gallons. It may be smaller than the rest, but it still costs around $19,000 to fill in the US. Its 52 cubic yard backhoe is perfect for deep mining work, while the face shovel version brings precision and punch in surface jobs. This machine is a perfect blend of engineering elegance and brutal power. Number 1, Caterpillar 6090 FJS, the king of all excavators. And here it is, the one, the only Caterpillar 60090 FS, a massive machine with a royal bloodline, passed through hands from O&K Germany, Terex, Bucyrus, and finally Caterpillar. Now branded in cat yellow, This machine stands tall at 1,190 US short tons with 4,500 horsepower under the hood. It only comes in a face shovel configuration because, let's be honest, when you're king, you don't need options. Its 68 cubic yard bucket can swallow the equivalent of a school bus full of material in one go. With a 4,000-gallon fuel tank, it's as thirsty as it is mighty. This isn't just a mining tool. It's a symbol of American dominance in heavy machinery. The Cat 6120, the mysterious giant. Before we wrap, here's one more name that whispers through mining circles like legend, the Caterpillar 6120. Built as a prototype in 2012, this monster reportedly weighs around 1,540 US short tons, with a hybrid diesel-electric engine generating 4,005 horsepower. Its bucket can range from 78 to 111 cubic yards. That's nearly double some of the machines on this list. CAT claims it cuts fuel costs per ton by at least 25%. Very few have seen it in action, but those who have say it redefines what an excavator can be. Why we love these giants. These machines don't just move Earth, they move something inside us. They're a reminder that when human will meets industrial power, the impossible becomes routine. So whether you're a gearhead, an engineer, or just someone who thinks big is awesome, hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up for more machines that break boundaries. Because here, we don't just talk about horsepower, we talk about horsepower that moves mountains.